am telling topic cone. Cone is my topic. Here in the cone also we are finding curved surface area, total surface area, volume. First we will find what is a curved surface area. Before going that, curved surface area means what I told, center part of cone. This is a cone. This is an height. This is an L, slanted. L is nothing but slant height. This is an cone. First we have to find, we are finding here, center part of the cone. For this, we are taking circle. Okay. In that, AB is like sector. It is look like cone only. OAB is an, like it will look like sector, and it is also like cone. In OAB, here L is an same length will be there in the circle, here L. And we are dividing AB into so many parts. We are dividing AB into so many parts. Some parts. The breadth must be different. Here B1 is different. Here B2 is different. This length is different. B3. Like that, different here. See, we can O and AB. Here different breadths is there. Different type. Different breadths is there. Here area of triangle is, what is the formula? Area of triangle, half into breadth into height. What is an breadth and what is an length? Half. Length is an equal, no? Total part L, but breadth is different in each one. LB1 plus LB2, breadths are different. L into breadth, L into B3, so on, like that. How many we want, we can divide it. Here half, L is common, B1 plus B2 plus so on. Here half L, and instead of B1, B2, B3. What is an B1, B2? If we breadth like that only, we are dividing it, become as circle. It will become circle. That is nothing but circumference of circle or base of the cone. What will become? Base of the cone. What is the base of the cone? Like circle, no? What is the base of the cone formula? 2 pi r. A cone is like here, this one. This base is like circle. What is the circumference? What is the circumference of the circle? Nothing but 2 pi r. Here 2 will cancel. What will get? Pi r L. This is an area of curved surface area. What is a curved surface area? Pi r L. Here what we are finding? Area of curved surface area. Curved surface area, we are taking different breadths. Likewise, half into length into breadth 1, half into length into breadth 2, like that will get. We are taking L common, and what is a B1, B2, B3, so on. This breadths, if we divide it, and it form has like circle. The length of the circle or circumference of the circle is 2 pi r or base of the cone. And what will it become? Half of cancel, pi r L. That is nothing but curved surface area. Next one, total surface area. Total surface means total surface area. What is a total surface area? Curved surface area and base. Curved surface area plus base of the cone. Here, what is a curved surface area? pi r l. What is the base of the cone? It is like circle. What is an area of circle? What is an area here? Pi r square. We can take common pi r common, L plus R. This is a total surface area. Pi r into L plus R. I think you understand total surface area. Now we will study volume. Volume of the cone. Actually, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. This is the volume of cylinder. In the cone, this is a cylinder. If we pour 3 parts, 3 times of cone. If we pour 3 times of cone of water, it will fill the cylinder. Means cone is 1/3 part volume of cone is nothing but 1/3 of pi r square h. Here we can see, I will tell you. This is a cylinder. This is one part. If we pour some water in cone, this is a first part. One time. Already we pour one time. Another time we are pouring. Second one. Here we can see difference. First time and this one second time and third time. If we pour water, first time it fill one part, 1/3 part. And second time when we pour again 2/3 part. When we pour full 3/3 part means 1/3 of cone is take one part of cylinder. That is nothing but volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. I think you understand cone. Next my topic is an cuboid.